PATBATAM. Well, welcome back to, our favorite spot. Welcome to PATBATAM Kitchen. Welcome to PATBATAM Kitchen, and today is the big day for Jamaica. Yes? Anybody here can tell me today is what day? What day is today?
Friday.
Friday, and what we celebrating? Fun day? Today is a special day in Jamaica. Tell me, what is it? Come up and tell me, what is it? Today is Independence Day, right? What's your name? Marquand. What school you attend? Okay, and where you from? You from Spanish Town so far? So you come to celebrate with us today? Yes. You see this little family over here? Why? There you go. Okay, good to have you. Welcome to Portland. Okay? Hope you're going to have a good time with us, alright? And today is which day? Today is Jamaica Independence Day, okay? Alright? High five. Okay. What is your name? Malachi Brown. Malachi Brown, where are you from? Where are you from? You're from Panton. Are you from Portland? Today is what day? What are we celebrating today? Fun Day. And today is Independence Day, right? Thank you, Malachi. Thank you for talking to me. All right, good. Speak loud. What's your name? Akele Mackenzie. And where are you from? You from industry? You from this place right here? Today is what day? Today is what day? Today? Today is Friday. And today is what we're celebrating today? Fun Day. And thank you, Akela. Your time. Come here, sir. What's your name? Pull on the mic. What's your name? Huh? Dejane. And Dejane, where you from? You're from Mount Pleasant. Speak loud, man. Yes? Today is what day? And what are we celebrating? Today is what day is Jamaica celebrating? Independence Day. Give me 5 for that. You see, you're up. Alright? And we're not finished yet. And why are you here today? Tell me exactly. Tell me why you're here. To have fun. Yes? Beautiful. Good to know. Come, pretty girl. Come, pretty girl. Come. What's your name? I can't hear you. Shamai, Minot. And Shamai, where you from? Where you from? Are you from this place? Where you from? Huh? Moortown. So far? You come from where? You look like you're from Nanny Town. Moortown. Okay, today you must know. What are we celebrating today? All right. And how many here in Jamaica celebrating independence? Wow. You are on top of the business. What school you attend? Rockall All Age Primary School. You know that's my school. That's the school I go before, I went to that school before. Yes. Okay. What's the name of your mom and dad? What your mom and dad? What's the name? And your dad? They must be proud of you. You are the greatest. You know that, right? Yes? You are the greatest. I can tell you. Yes? Thank you for talking to us. I hope you're going to have fun today, okay? You're going to have a lot of fun today? Are you? You sure? Okay, thank you very much. High five. Beautiful. Come. What's your name? And Jamala, where you from? And where you from? You're from Jamaica. You're from this? You're from industry? Where you from? Rockall? You're from Portland. Where in Portland? You're from West End, Mount Pleasant. And what school you attend? Mount Pleasant? Oh, beautiful. Today is what are Jamaica celebrating today? And we are celebrating Independence Day today, are we? Yes? How many years of independence Jamaica has? How many years of independence? Do you know? How many years of independence? 59. 59 years of independence, yes? I hope you're gonna have some fun today, okay? What's your name again? Okay, Jamila, thank you. What is your name?
My name is Sasia Deborah, bro.
And where you from, Sasia?
Ponton.
You're from Pantan, so you're from Mount Pleasant. Okay, why are you here today?
Why am I here today?
Yes.
I'm here to have fun.
And what are we celebrating? What day Jamaica celebrating today?
Independence Day?
How many years? You remember?
Huh?
You remember how many years of independence we have?
No.
No man, it's 59. Are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah.
Having fun?
Yeah.
Okay, give me a high five. Okay. What is your name? Loud.
Savannah.
Savannah, where you from? You're from Jamaica. Where in Jamaica are you from? You're from Branch Bay. Branch Bay is important to you. Okay, so why are you here today? Okay, you come to visit your daddy. Okay, you're gonna have some fun with us today. Today, what are we celebrating today, Jamaica? Independence Day. You know how many years? How many years of independence? How many years of independence? 59. Yes? 59 years. Yes? 59 years. Yes? Loud man, say it loud. 59 years. Yes? Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, ladies, turn around and tell me now, who am I speaking to?
Tiffany.
That's Tiffany. And?
Ashana.
So why are we here today? We see popcorn, we see all these things. What's going on? Tell us what's going on. Popcorn, candies, ice cream, everything you see. What do you call this thing again?
Snow cone.
Snow cone. Look at these people. I haven't seen snow cone in a while. So we have
Tiffany.
Tiffany's taking care of that, huh?
Ashana.
And what are we doing today? Tell me what's going on.
We're just having a giving back to the community.
Community, yes.
Right. So we have some snow cone and we have popcorn and we have the bounce about and we have bags and books.
So these bags and books are coming from who?
Marcia.
Who is Marcia? Who is Marcia?
The lovely lady.
Tell me who is Marcia. Tell me.
She's from the community of Rockall.
She's from the community of Rockall.
Right.
And why she do all this? Tell me. Tell me what's going on.
She have a big heart.
She have a big heart. Bigger than mine?
I don't know.
Bigger than yours?
Maybe.
She have a heart of giving.
Right.
Okay. Well, we are here in industry at the moment. Today is Independence Day. And we are celebrating our big day and we are giving Miss Marcie and her foundation is giving back to the kids of industry. Industry, Rockall, St. Margaret's Bay is all around, right? Mount Pleasant, West End, all of that. Boneridge, Chatworth. All the kids are here at Industry Park, I would say, to receive their little gifts and all them little things that, you know, her big heart willing to give back to the, her big heart willing to give back to the community. And it's a pleasure being here with you guys. So, your time. You gotta talk. You've been doing food. Don't give them too much salt, you know. Alright. Okay, let me talk to somebody else. The little boy here. Come over here. Stop right here. What's your name? Talk loud. TJ. And TJ, why are you here today? Okay, talk to me. Tell me, why are you here today?
To have fun.
To have fun. What are we celebrating today? Where are you from?
Rockall.
You're from Rockall. What school you attend?
Big school.
You go Rockall all age? How old are you?
6.
Oh, you're 6. You're in grade 2. Okay, good. It's good to talk to you, CJ. I'll talk to you again soon, okay? Have some fun. You look sad though. Why you look so sad? You're not sad? You're happy? Okay, cool. Good to talk to you. I'll talk to you soon, okay? Is
Independence.
and you're with the kids. Doing what?
Giving away
Giving away what?
books, bags.
Books and bags and pencils and all that. And all these things inhaled up coming from where? All these things here.
Marcia.
And who is Marcia?
My sister.
Marcia is your sister?
Yeah.
And she's a well-known
She's a well-known person.
in this community?
Yeah.
And rock on?
Yeah, and Mount Pleasant.
Mount Pleasant.
Yeah.
Is this happening every year?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I thought it was the first time happening every year. Since how long this been happening?
Maybe 4 to 5 years.
4 to 5 years?
Yeah.
Is it a good thing?
Yes, sir.
Great thing.
Yes,
For the
sir.
community.
Yes, sir.
Today it's COVID and it's kind of a bit lame.
Yeah.
But guess what happened? We're still happy, right?
Yes,
We
sir.
still have a big heart to give away, alright?
Yes,
I
sir.
hope it don't affect your lungs. Alright, what's your name again?
Kristen.
Kristen. It was a pleasure talking to you.
You
I hope
too.
you have fun. And who's the little one here?
Tina.
Tina is who?
My cousin.
That's your cousin?
Yes, sir.
Hi, Tina.
Tell him hi. Wait.
Okay. Thank you, Tina. What's your name?
Akoya Davis.
Huh?
Akoya Davis.
Akoya Davis.
Yes.
Akoya Davis, where you from?
Kingston.
You're from Kingston. What are you doing in Portland? Hello.
My mother lives here.
What are we celebrating today?
Independence Day.
How many years of independence?
200 and...
No, sir, not so much. 59 years themselves. 59 years of independence. Remember, how old are you?
9. I will be 10 the 21st of this month.
Okay, so you have that pat, right?
Yes.
Birthday, you have that all start out, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we're celebrating 59 years of independence, yes?
Yes.
Okay. And you're here for the giveaway and all of that? Yeah, man, you're going to get books and things, right? Yes?
But I already have books.
No, you're going to get more. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you for talking to us. Okay.
Next year, Malcolm.
Come on, come. Come here. What's your name?
Lejon.
Huh?
Phantom.
You're from Mount Pleasant.
Yeah.
Mount Pleasant district.
Yeah.
I'm from the district of
Portland.
Mount Pleasant.
Yeah, Mount Pleasant.
Okay. Oh, look at Edmund. Look at Edmund. Today is, what are we celebrating today? What are we celebrating today?
November?
Today's Independence Day, right?
Oh, yeah.
How many years of independence?
Huh?
How many years of independence?
50 odd? 59? Yeah.
And what school you attend? What school you attend?
Port Anthony High?
It's a first in the high, so you're in grade 7?
Yeah.
Oh, your first year? Oh, okay. How you like it?
Huh?
How do you like it?
It's okay.
It's okay? Yes? So what are you gonna be like it? What are you gonna be when you grow up?
Soldier?
What do you wanna be?
Soldier?
You wanna be a army man?
Yeah.
Fight for your country? Okay, you're a warrior.
Yeah.
You look shy, man. Warrior don't shine.
No?
You want to be a soldier when talking about warrior don't shine.
No?
You're smart, right?
Yeah.
What's your name again?
Huh?
What's your name again?
Lejon?
Agent, was good talking to you. I hope you had some fun. You're the one who coordinating this thing.
Huh?
You're the one who coordinating and taking care.
Yeah.
Okay, good job. All right, thank you for talking to us.
Yeah.
All right, talk to you soon. Huh? We are at Industry Community Park. Yeah, we are at the park of Industry Program, and we are here with the kids today. Today is, we all know we're celebrating what? The big day of our life. Yes, that we call independence. Alright, and we're celebrating and having a lot of fun. So, we are here with the kids, and we're here to give them, and I don't know, give them whatever we have. And make sure there's just to ensure that they're safe and to ensure that, listen, where life is concerned, we are with them every day, okay? And these are the future, and you see, as we can say, these kids right here, they are the future of our land we love. Great Jamaica land we love, These are the future. Next 10, 15 years, these are the lawyers, these are the doctors, these are the farmers, these are the policemen. Yes, these are the carpenters. Yes, all these people here. So we got to ensure that we protect them and we ensure that they are alright. Okay? So here we go. Today is Marcie giving away day. Marcie Ellis, you probably know this lady. She is from Rockall. She's a well-known lady in the community and she's living in Rockall. She's related to the Edwards and the Ellis, I think, yes? So that's how we are family now because she's a part of the Ellis. And you know, I'm associated with the Ellis on my mom's side. And here we go. We haven't seen this in a while, but here we go. This is the place where the lady have the snow cone. Snow cone on top. Look at it. There you go. Beautiful. Snow cone for the kids. Popcorn for the kids. Well, this is the music part of the business. You know, only in Jamaica, you know, we have the thing out the door. And so we out the door. Party them a party out the door. You know, in our country, you know what going on. Everything have up and running. With the outer door today. And we are doing things. Alright. What's your name?
Dorian Davis.
Dorian Davis. And where you from?
Huh?
Where you from?
Kingston.
You're from Kingston. What are you doing in Portland? A lot of Kingston people over here. What are you doing in Portland?
I come spend time with my auntie.
Spend time with the auntie. So today, what are you celebrating today? Independence. Independence Day, right? Did I ever say it? Alright, great time welcome to your stage, right? Today is what day? What's your name? Huh? Loud. Jade? Jade, where you from?
Rockall.
You from Rockall? Alright, thank you. We're in Rockall. You're from Rockall? Yes? And why are you here today?
Independence Day.
Independence Day, and you're celebrating and having fun?
Yes.
With your friends and family?
Yes.
You have one big chain on your neck though. Is it gold?
Yes.
A gold? Okay, where you buy it?
40.
I put you buy it? How much you pay for it?
5,000.
Why, look expensive. Man, you are going run. Up. You take care of yourself, right? Hope you have fun and don't make them birds take care enough.
Yes.
Make sure you put it inside when you have a plane of it.
Yes.
The bounce about, okay? Alright?
Yes.
Alright. Thank you for talking to me. Alright? Have fun. Take it. What's your name?
My name is Benny Ocean Orbit.
Denise.
Benny Ocean Orbit.
Miss Olget, yes? Where you from?
Rockall.
You from Rockall? Oh, beautiful. And why are you here today?
To have fun.
To have fun. And what are you celebrating? What Jamaica celebrating today?
Celebrating back to school. Grandma keep it every year.
Grandma keep it every year. Really? What's the name of your grandma?
My grandma name is Marcia.
Marcie's your grandma. Okay, so if Marcie's your grandma, I should be your cousin. I think so. Yes, man, I think so. Keep it every year for the kids. Tell me what you like about your grandma. Tell me. What do you like about your grandma? Be honest now, look in the camera and tell me.
She buys stuff for me. She buys stuff for me. and she always make a promise and never make it break.
Oh, so she's a very faithful person. This is like that, right? Tell me what do you like about your grandma? What you love about your grandma? That nobody can take away from you. Tell me.
She loves me more than everyone.
You love you more than everyone. Oh, that's good. And what's your name again?
Benny,
Right.
hi PATBATAM KITCHEN.
Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Aliana, Alget.
Aliana?
Alget.
All good. And where you from?
Rakan.
Who is your favorite person? Look
No.
at. That's your favorite person? That's your sister?
No.
You look alike. What's going on?
That's my son's sister.
That's your son's sister. Yeah? Why are you here today? You know why you're here today?
To play.
Eh?
To play.
To play and have fun. Today is Independence Day, yes? So yes.
Yes.
Okay. Hope you have fun. Enjoy, okay?
Yes.
Alright, beautiful. Okay, thank you.
Boss! One blazing man, I'm dead.
Okay, we are in industry today, yeah? And we are in the famous park, the industry park. And what are we here? What are we doing today? What are we here doing today? What is it all about? Tell me.
Well, you know, it's an independent thing. I will just go and celebrate and play some music. Yeah, we have to if in them estate, burn some entertainment, you know.
Okay.
I famous outlaw sound, you know, represent.
Your thing, play some clean music and members say today what? Independence Day.
Yeah, man, so we have to keep it clean. That we are do. Right about now, yeah, man.
We want to hear the real tune them to the independence. Every year. You hear that about?
Same.
So it's a pleasure talking to you. I'll talk to you soon, yeah?
Yeah, man. That's all right.
Let us know what's going on. Marcie, come talk to me. We're doing it. Not your family. Sing a coming.
LJ.
Marcie.
Come here, man. 22 years I keep it down. Put in the way. I remember say, why I look so there? Last year was Supersonic Sound.
Okay, Marcie. Because Marcie, I haven't seen years. In years I haven't seen you. Go to America, you come back, you come back. I haven't seen you. Now you're inviting me to this place here now. This is my community, you know that, right?
Right.
Original, this is my community. And tell me now, what is going on here in industry for you and the family and friends and the whole community? Tell me what's going on.
Well, for the past 20 years, I've been keeping a back to school giveaway. I work in the United States and I have my friends, they donate a lot of stuff from the Osborne Home Care, like Nava, and a lot of my friends up there. And this is the annual back to school giveaway. Every year we have an annual back to school giveaway with my sound blazing mobile.
What's your ultimate goal? Based on this what's going on, what's your ultimate goal? What's your goal next 5, 6, 7, 8 years? What do you think will happen in this company?
Well, my next goal 5, 6 years is to build a basic school or uplift the kids them. Because I remember where I'm coming from, so I'm trying to do my best in every way I can.
So, you hear it from the artist's mouth. This is Miss Marcia. I'm going to hold it to her. Her ultimate goal is to build a basic school for this community.
Right. Right. Huh? Marcia, Ellis, Albert, and Blazing Mobile International Promotion. Blazing Mobile International. International.
Okay, so this is a foundation you're creating for the entire nation.
Right.
Tell us what's going on.
So we have food for, today we're giving away food for the shut-in, the people who can make it here. I'm going to drive and deliver food for all the elderly people who can make it today because, you know, today is a curfew and we have to close off a certain time. So we're just going to let everybody eat nice and get married. We have bingo going on for the elders, not for the elders, bingo for the young people and food for the shut-in and giveaway for the kids and our food, ice cream, everything.
PATBATAM Kitchen. And this is the crew right here. And this is the man who are going to do all of them things and play music and we're going to enjoy and have fun. Okay? You see that man over there? That man is AJ. That man is Mix Up. Mix Up from Portugal. That man is, talk to me. Shiny. That man is Samuel call him girl Rami. And this man is the man. That man there. Alright.
What's your name?
My name is Annette.
Annette, and where you from, Annette?
I'm from Portland on a whole, but I'm just here to support my friend Marcia and her son.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Where in Portland are you from? Port Antonio?
Well, I'm living in Kingston at the moment.
In Kingston. So you guys all in Kingston, people come here, come to over Kingston.
Not really.
Anyway, so what are we celebrating today?
I'm celebrating independence.
Independence Day. Well, you know what? It's good to have you back in Portland.
Yes.
It's a pleasure talking to you.
Nice.
Hope you have fun.
Yes.
And happy independence.
Big up.
Okay, good. Okay, I'm here with a beautiful lady here. And she's a bit shy, but listen, here with her. What's your name?
Samantha.
Samantha. Samantha, where are you from?
Portland.
We're in Portland. Where in Portland are you from? Industry. You're from industry. I'm from industry. Okay, why are you afraid of that? I'm from this little place right here. Yes, man. How long have you been living here?
Not long.
Not long. Well, welcome to our community. You like it over here?
Yes.
Yes? We have bingo.
Children, go down, sir. The green tent, that was our full segment. Green tent, go down, sir. Our big people business in us, sir. What about, sir? The lollipop and treated there. You know, my green tent on a white bag. One bag full. I'm sure there's someone picking up there. Okay, ma'am. Here you go. Thank you. Next table, I have two gifts for you on the table. Next game.
No, we're in the bingo. We're in the bingo spot.
I'm at the parlor, something. No, I'm at the dance, something.
Everybody's got the bingo card. And I'm here with Honey. Say hello, Honey.
We have two things with them.
Say hello, Honey. And he's on the bingo card.
If you're here, no joking. Come. No joking. I'm a book. Green, skip to the green. Tear off to the green. Tear off to the green. Tear off to the green. What's tear off to green? I just eat.
Here you go, Miss Allen.
Treatment, treatment.
Hello, Miss Allen.
Allen on there.
There's another Allen over here. All Allen right here, you know. All Allen. Hello, mommy. Hello, cuz.
All right. So, we are going now. Now, Chum, game number 3. Let me explain this piece of instrument you're tuning on. If you normally use the logo, sardine open where you go so. That's the days are done. This is a can opener, you just put it on it, it have a magnet, it's stuck on it, it cut the tin right round and it still hold the tin up there. Don't separate it. So you sardine to Chum. But there, look at the spin now. The only thing you can do with this now, a tin mackerel, a tin milk. Because the mackerel now start coming to look and pull some, so. Milk that comes out with food, so they need to ruffle this then. The big mackerel them, anyway, seriously, if you don't have shop, like you can put the cheese on it, the tin of cheese, and you just cut it, cut the cheese. And when you cut the cheese, you now drop it, you stick it, have a magnet on it. So this is what we're playing for. A magnetic can, oh right, that one a big. That one you can open beer too. That one open up on it. Right. That one you can shop knife too. And this one flavor, no, this no one is. That flavor for the dough. No one is. The ball of the wing, you put it on this. then swap it in the fish. Alright, anybody who in this area gonna swap me? We are swapping the mic price. Ready? Regular bingo again. We now come off for the regular bingo because we are trying to work with Andrew time, right? Let's go. If you did not buy a ticket, come and get it now. We just done. This is the third game.
You know, we talk about Jamaica, our food. So we have it around, we have the rice and peas, and we have the big pot of food, and we have everything on this one. We have the pot of rice and peas, okay? And you know, we have bamia fry also. Bamia fry.
Alright, come on.
Come by the curry goat done.
Remember this, children, take a walk down to the green tent downstairs, get your ice cream, get your hot dog, get your back to school book, and you got everything down your side. Children, get a green tent. Ready? So I'm going to
That woman.
ice cream zone. Everybody having ice cream. Look at the mouth. Look at the mouth. We have a little. This is crazy. Okay. How old is the little one? How old is she?
She's 1 year old.
And today's the birthday?
Yes, my first granddaughter.
Get out of here. Okay, here we go. We're going to sing happy birthday. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. What's her name?
Danisha Patterson.
Danisha. Happy birthday, Danisha.
Yes.
Happy birthday, Danisha. 6th of August. Wow, you really want to marry to me.
I am as independent as my grandmother.
I'm as
independent as my grandmother.
Okay, me hear you, Aya. Me hear you, Aya. Me hear you. Yeah, man. Many people are going to school together now. Not this community. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Blessing. Yeah, one of them things, you know. This lady, I've seen this lady in years. Well, probably about 2-3 years I've seen her in Portland. But people may travel go and come, you know. So, we will go out the place more time. This is Hyacinth. Hyacinth.
Independent Hyacinth.
Independent Hyacinth.
Yes, I am right here.
Go ahead. Good to see you. All right. Blessing. That was that. Good to see you. All right. Blessing. All right. Blessing. All right. And that's your daughter. Okay. That's Hyacinth and her family right there. The youngest one. Just saying about it. Now, you know, we are in industry, yeah? And now you're gonna see 2 of the veterans of this community. Yes? 2 of the veterans of this community. Now you have Mr. Lowe, and you have the big man out of England. See him there? Talk to the people. Tell the people about one. Tell the people about one. Yes. There you go. This is original industry man. Them are 2 man. The man are the man them from your youth. You know them man.
Yeah.
This man have been traveling. Yes. Tell them again. There you go. One of them things. Yeah man, but big up yourself same way. And you know with our PATBATAM KITCHEN. And everything is good thing, man. And we have a pretty girl that watch it. And I see her watch her do everything. You know that's everything.
Spanish, where you from, son? Like you want to call your name out of the pack. A Spanish from Shrewsbury, me I call. Somebody from Shrewsbury. Anybody from Shrewsbury come here right now and collect something. Anybody or two body come here, so. So which one are going to move? Oh, my figure. He can't share. Alright. So I said this week, you use it. Next week you get Nakita.
No.
So share it. So make sure that this week you use it. Next week Nakita get the use. Squeeze out fair portion in the back. We have one more stuff to give it, but we now bomb rush it. I want to make sure say everybody who leave feel good today. Leave in here or feel good coming here. And I want to big up my friend in the yellow. Marcie, big best friend was my friend from down there, so cross there, so up there, so. Big up yourself every time. Big up my squad in them in the place. 3 o'clock now. Big up yourself. We're going outside and we're outside. Leaving shortly. We're about to wrap up now. Tomorrow, a beer rev bike show. Bottom Panton. Puss. Lower Panton. Oh, yeah, give me $1,000 video. You big up your party? Oh, I'm your party, or I'm big up for you?
Put it on your foot. Be careful. The spring, you see the spring? Lock and squeeze you. You can't stand much up. Huh? control. Settle it now, settle it now, settle it now. All over the place, all over the place. Settle it now.
Evil people will kill us slowly. Faith is a key that opens all doors. That you believe. Patient, my brother, more you receive, yeah. Oh, be not offended by negative things that people say. Oh, of consider all I know, stands only, let your life, so one and only, evil people will kill us slowly. Hey Dixie, what minds I never up Judge I don't believe and someone I know how to feel. Them want see me dead, you what I can feel.
PATBATAM.
Big up PATBATAM Kitchen.